Alright guys, here we go. What? Look at Mama. What the fuck is Mama doing?
I am poo.
Oh, that wouldn't happen to be a swordfish, would it?
It's a poo.
That's hilarious.
It's a D.
Hey, hey. Come on, look at Mama. You need to whisper in her ear, Mama. She can't read.